Definitely after the stage.
What is going on around the world? But so look, I'm ready to go take some pictures, and oh my goodness, this is like the softest, not kidding you, probably the softest hair I've ever had. So cute. Like, look at this. Go, sir. Look, baby, turn up. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks how I got the ear tab to lay so flat and look flawless. Let's get into this video. Alright, my first wigs. Got me a little wig stand head thing. Okay, first of all, let's see what this is. What? No, they didn't send some lace glue. My first wig got lace glue. Am I late or what? I definitely will be trying this out. Okay, let's see. 20-inch silky frontal wig cap. Okay, this is a frontal. Come with adjustable straps, elastic band, combs, the whole nine, because they skip no steps. Let me check out this hairline. Knots are bleached. Baby, hairline pre-plucked. My first wigs always come through. And they sent your girl some lace glue. Alright, so really quick, I'm going to just run through how I install my ball cap. I'm using this Got To Be Glue Free spray. And I know you're kidding me. You don't do nothing else. Get those side tabs. Okay. I brought my cap up a little too much, which means I'm going to have glue on my hair right here. I didn't want that, but I will make it work. Alright, so here's my ball cap. Not the best, but it will do. And here's my lace glue. So we're going to see what's up. Smell like a little regular lace glue. Okay, part looking amazing already. Let's check out this hairline. I should be able to swoop it around my ear with no problem. So the first step, hot comb my flyaways back. Just pull this back. And again, we're focused on the ear tab, so I'm going to keep my glue going around. Now just smooth it out, and I'm trying to get it as thin as possible. One more layer, and I'm just going to drag this bad boy how I usually do. You know, I was trying to do like the other YouTubers, but And you know, for this install, I was really trying to follow my hairline, but baby, I didn't went past that. Alright, so now I'm gonna just pull this straight down. Okay, and now I'm just going to rub it in, but I'm making sure I'm pulling the hair forward to rub it in so that my fingertips don't touch the glue. I don't mind like the hair touching the glue in between the lace, but if my fingers touch it, it may get sticky, tacky, turn white, you know. Cut the lace. So now I'm over here at the ear tab, so I'm just keep cutting right on around. And that's why you want that extra glue going back, so all that will be intact and melted with everything else. So let's pull this ear out. Boom. Look at that side tab, and I do not have all this extra hair, sideburns, all that stuff going on right there. I guess I cut away all the pre-plucked in the middle. Take a little bit of makeup. Alright, you guys, so here's my side tabs. They look amazing. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit, get flat, whatever. I'll be back. Okay, boom. Now I'm gonna take my wax stick. Put a little makeup. Okay, you see that ear tab? Install. Alright, you guys, so here's the finished look. I mean, yes. It's so silky smooth. The meltdown. I did my ear tabs perfectly. Okay, so it's about this long, stopping like a little bit under my boobs.